Hello everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the Transformers Generation Sandstorm triple changer. I really do like the artwork on the side here, wraps around. Standard window box, flip it to the side, not too much. Number 3 in the series, right there. Check out a little bit of the bio. Tech specs, and then you can see the different modes that he can transform into. Essentially, if you look at it, he's an exact remold of the Springer that we got, except for a little bit of tweaking here and there, but whatnot. So, let's open him up. Alright, here's Sandstorm in his VTOL aircraft mode. This is the one mode that's different from the G1. It's a nice take, I guess, in a way. There is some good things, some bad. I mean, you can also tell that it's essentially looks like Springer a little bit in certain ways, but flip it to the other side, you can tell that these are tires. Kind of nice detailing right there. And some molded, I don't know, panel work and stuff like that. Not too bad. You can plug the gun if you want underneath. It's kind of a pain in the butt to do, but you can do it. Real quickly, here is Springer next to the G1. It would have been nice if they could have incorporated this helicopter mode with that, but oh well. And here he is next to Springer. A lot larger. Some similarity, some not. But you can rotate these, so that's pretty cool. They do spin. So, all right, we're going to transform this guy into his second alt mode, the Dune buggy. All right, to transform this guy really quickly, hold on his landing gears there. And what we're going to do is pull this part out, pull it back, kind of like we do with Springer. Put it right there. Again, just like with Springer, there's a lot of panels, a lot of lining up, whatnot. But it's not too bad. Pull that out, pull these out. Reminiscence of Springer. And these portions will flip down. Same thing to the other side. Push them in. Line everything correctly. Fold it out. Now just clip in. Up there. Take his legs. Just like with Springer, we're going to clip that over to the side, like so. And this is going to kind of fold over, and it's going to cover that, which is kind of cool idea there. Just like so. Take these, flip them around, and just fold them down. Make sure everything's clipped in and lined correctly here. Which is the one thing I didn't like about Springer too much, is that a lot of things needed to be lined correctly, which I'm trying to do now. There we go. So essentially, there we have his kind of Dune buggy mode. Not too bad. Rolls fairly nicely. Makes a, I don't know, interesting kind of like maybe an engine mode, whatnot. I don't know. Again, it's got the same type of molded on guns, nice panel work, just like Springer. You can take the gun, pop it in the top here if you like. It is kind of weird to see the tires kind of sticking out a little bit. They just fold over, but not too bad. Here it is next to the original G1. And then next to Voyager Springer. I do like the fact that the front panels here of the hood close better. Maybe it's just mine. I don't know. I never could get this to close, so you always have a gap there. This one's nice that you kind of get that closure. So, alright. Now we're going to transform into his robot mode. Alright. Take his gun out here. Essentially what we're going to do is just start breaking some parts apart here. Fold his legs. Fold out his feet. Undo the panel here. Pop it back up like we did in his aircraft mode. And just like Springer, so pop out his hands, fold everything back up. Fold this on itself. Actually, fold that up like that. Spin these back around. Loosen that up. Now we need to get the landing gear out. So, get its head. There we go. Pop these up and they're just going to fit just like, exactly like Springer. Right there. And there you have Sandstorm. Not too bad. All in all, nice fig. Take his gun. He does have a missile firing feature where just pull back on the front end, launches it. Make sure it's pushed forward, then you can pop the missile in. If you don't and you have it back, you're gonna probably bend this pretty good. Have stress marks and whatnot. Nice articulation, just like with Springer and Blitzwing, whatnot. You have knee joint, swivel at the hip, in and out, shoulder, elbow, swivel at the elbow, swivel at the wrist, head movement. Nice light piping on the head. Here he is really quickly with the original. Not too bad. You can always see a difference in size. It would have been nice, maybe, I mean, if you see the head of the G1 original, that they could have maybe incorporated that into this version, but again, not that too big of a deal. And here you are with Springer. You can see he's a lot bigger. I do like the fact that he's got a bigger Autobot symbol right there instead of Springer's little tiny one. But yeah, all in all, it's a great fig. I mean, again, if you're into the generations and newer versions of the classic G1 stuff, definitely pick up this guy. Didn't cost that much. I found him at my local Target store for 20 bucks. Reasonably priced. I do like the alt modes. If you like the Springer mold, this is up your alley too. So hopefully maybe we'll get some other triple changers. I don't know. It would be nice if we got like a bigger sized Astro Train or even an Octane, because that Classics Octane really sucked. But yeah, this has just been a little quick look at Sandstorm. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.